Hey, what's going on, Azisa here? So in this video, we are looking at the Get Fearless Freedom back office tool. So quickly, let me show you the dashboard. So this is how it looks like. Um, First of all, there is one important video that everybody has to um, get started with is exactly the get started you click it, and there is a pop-up with a 17-minute video that will explain really everything almost everything you need to know, right? So uh, of course you can go here on top. So general training, you will see the get started. If you click on that, there is a couple of videos on sell funnels, very important. How to create your funnels, the domain name and forwarding. Um, yes, and this important video also. Also, yeah, everything about the fearless movement. So it's mastermind, right? And here you have special training or the resources. You can click, and you will have. By the way, you have um, couple couple of traffic that the Get Fearless program is teaching. There is the Facebook training, the Craigslist advertising, the pay ad or solo ad over here, and uh, Tammy 100K blueprint that she kindly shared with us, right? So okay, and then here you can go basically to the community Facebook group. Even if you click here on dashboard, you have the option here to join the Facebook group, which I highly recommend, because that's where you will find a lot of done for you uh, marketing tools that you can use to promote uh, your program. In that case, I'm talking about the Get Fearless program. However, the program here is designed for any type of program. So you can take this program and market your own affiliate product. So over here, there is three level of joining uh, the Get Fearless Freedom program. We have the 200 level at the time I'm recording this video for sure. So you have exactly this, right? From here to here, that is the 200 level, right? And if you go uh, for the 500 level, so you have, of course, the Craigslist training, and then some side hustles, ideas, details ideas that you can use. Um, the mastermind training is very amazing. And then if you decided to go uh, the last level, the Supreme Freedom, which is the $1,000 level, at of course the time when I'm recording that video, it's exactly the price. So if you decide to go to level 3, then you have access to uh, powerful YouTube secret strategy, to boost your YouTube video, and monthly mastermind here that are very huge. They are very huge in value in helping you succeed. So yeah, that's very very amazing. And yeah, of course, yeah, and yeah, we have some mindset training. Everything's about mindset. Uh, yeah, it's very good as well. Uh, yes, and everybody has affiliate side. So this is how, of course, the website looks like the dashboard, very simple and easy to use. So let's say you reach at the 200 level, right? So if you want to upgrade to let's say $500, you only pay the difference. So only 300, to upgrade to 500. And the same thing if you are in whatever level you decide to go. If you want to upgrade, you only pay the difference, right? So let's quickly see the pages. So as I have said earlier, you can use uh, the marketing system here, the funnels to build your own business. If you are not promoting the GFF product, it's okay. Um, and you can still use it to create amazing pages, right? So, and simple. We keep it simple here at GFF, right? So let's see an example here of sample pages here that I can show you, right? So let's take this one. So as you can see, very simple pages that are very powerful, and yeah, so you can use the funnel builder here to build your own business, right? And the video branding pages, that's where you create your bleach page, right? Your thank you page, right? So when people opt in from here, that's what we call the front end. When they add their email address, so they will find there's a second page that is called the bleach page or thank you page, right? So where you can create video. Sorry, you can create video if you want to, or simple text, right? To welcome the person and create the know, like, and trust, right? And yes, so this is very powerful, right? And uh, here is where, of course, you connect your autoresponder. We have the choice between Aweber and GetResponse, and yeah, everything is explained here how to do, right? And uh, the done for you email. So this is where things become very interesting, right? So basically, when you connect Aweber or GetResponse, sorry, uh, um, this is what will happen, right? So your leads will receive email from the program owner. So this is very powerful. So you know, so everything can go on automation. So the likelihood for you to get results is very high because you have in the back end a seven-figure earner who is emailing your lead. And at the same time, if you opt in into your email list, so you can see the type of email that are coming, and you can learn as well email marketing. You can learn, so it's one thing to build his email, and it's another thing to convert uh, that email to um, income, right? So you know what I mean. So yes, so uh, that is basically the dashboard, how it looks like. I hope I cover everything. And as a callback process, this is a very powerful, powerful thing, right? So in each email that your 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 email list will receive, there is a toll-free number with your ID that is tagged to you, right? When people can call and ask questions, and so the program, the team, they know already that this phone number belongs to you, right? So this is very, very powerful. This is by far uh, one of the best method I have seen. People can call and ask question about the program. They can talk to the program owner. Ask questions. So this is very powerful, right? Okay, guys. That's all. I just want to do a 10-minute video. Okay, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye for now.